What's going on, guys? Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, back with another video. Just going to do a quick market review as well as the potential targets that I have or I will set for tomorrow. All right, and you guys should know by now my targets. Just it's very quick. I base it off of the next candle theory. So um, this one's going to be we're gonna have to step back a little bit with this one. All right, so today's candle, it swept Thursday's low and high and gave us a doji, a bearish doji. All right, so in that case, what I'm going to do is we have to step back and see um, what liquidity is available. All right, so pretty much already have the buy side already marked out here. All right, I have um, this 4 hour buy side was hit today. Thursday's buy side was hit. And then I have these two random areas of liquidity that are still open, as well as my monthly and weekly target up here. Okay. We are still sitting inside of this fair value gap, and we have had at least two swing points going out. Tomorrow's candle will let us know if we're going to get a third one. But this price action, to be honest with you, it sucks. It's just like we're just going sideways, pretty much going sideways here for the past couple of weeks, few weeks, just sideways price action. For the most part, not going anywhere. Um, so let's get back to this. All right. So typically, what I do is whenever it sweeps like this, I look at how the doji closed. The doji closed bearish, so I'm looking at the fact that the market swept here. It swept Thursday's low and it closed back up high. All right, so um, my target for tomorrow is going to be today's high. All right, and we'll take a look at that and actually see if that's going to stick when we drop down to the lower time frames. So I'm just going to put Tuesday buy side drawing liquidity. All right, and we'll lock that in. All right, now let's drop down to the 4 hour. Let's just see what price action is showing us. All right, so all right, so this high put in this low, and we closed above it, basically giving us a market structure shift for bullish price action. We have this fair value gap down here that has been supporting price. All right, so for the most part, we're still bullish here on the 4 hour. So that plays into our Tuesday drawing liquidity of $18,611.75. All right, let's drop down to the 1 hour. All right, so actually here on the 1 hour, we see where this low put in this high. We actually had a market structure shift right here. Okay, and let me just look to the left just a little bit more. Yeah, I would still call that a market structure shift because actually this high put in this low and this high was broken. Okay, all right, so I would give that a market structure shift. All right, to the upside. All right, this low has not been taken out yet. So I'm still gonna call the lower. I'm gonna call the 1 hour bearish, just because this low put in this high and it was broken. All right, so the 1 hour is bearish. Okay, 4 hour bullish, 1 hour is bearish. All right, and guys, always remember the price, it turns from inside out. So for me, the lower the time frame, right, it really does determine the flow of the market. All right, but not too low, because you don't want to go down to the 1 minute. I would say at least your 15 minute. But even then, the 15 minute, you can, it can flip pretty often. But so 4 hour bullish, 1 hour bearish. Let's take a look at the 15 minute. All right, 15 minute is still bearish. Okay, 15 minute is still bearish. All right, so 15 minute is still bearish. Let's take a look at the Dilling range for the 15 minute. I'll tell you what, let me take a look at the Dilling range on the 4 hour here. So yeah, we had a sweep of liquidity up here. Okay. All right. So I apologize, guys. I'm tired, and I also have to go over a trade that I took with you guys, or that I took for you guys. Let me see if that looks right. Yeah, that's about. I would actually. I mean, yeah, as far as a dealing range, but as far as the price range itself, I'll come here. Okay. Why does that keep moving? All right. And so it's still bearish. We may get a flip through Asia or London. But my target so far, again, for tomorrow is $18,611.75. We will get a OTE at $18,550.50. So unless price decides just to push up and litigate this Tuesday drawing liquidity as well as the other dailies, just kind of asking a lot. So, but the lower time frame is bearish. The 4 hour is bullish. I would say throughout the night, we're gonna want to watch to see if this 4 hour BSC holds. All right. If this 4 hour BSC holds, and of course, I'll be looking on the lower time frames to possibly counter trend. All right. Well, not even counter trend, but go with the higher time frames to mitigate the Tuesday drawing liquidity. Okay. And it just depends on what the market structure looks like when I wake up in the morning and look at the charts. So, all right, that's that. All right, so now let's see if I can. I think I ended up taking 2 trades, and it was 2. Anyway, let me see if I can throw. Let's see if I throw the execution labels. So this was the profitable trade that I took here, and I know I watched it on the 1 minute. All right, So this is the profitable one. I'll show you guys the other ones as well. Is this the one? I think this is the one that I took. Yeah. I bought early here, stopped out there. All right. So I was going in the right direction, but just got stopped out too soon. And then this one, I messed out this one totally up. Bought here, got stopped out there, just all off there. And then this is the profitable one that I did. All right, you guys see where I sold there, took partials here, took three, I sold 5 here. All right, bought 3 back, brought 2 back. All right, and I'm kind of mad because it's like, man, I could have held on to that a little bit longer. All right, all the way down to $18,414.50. But I was happy with what I made for today. I think it was about 300 or 400. So I was happy with that. Can't complain. And then just real busy at work today, so I really wasn't able to do anything else as far as the charts. And I said, well, I'll just try again tomorrow when I wake up in the morning. So all right, guys, that is going to be it as far as this review and as far as what I am targeting for tomorrow. Now, just to be honest with you, this daily drawn liquidity, I'm a little iffy about it. Let me get rid of those executions. Like all right. I am a little iffy about it, but we are sitting inside of a daily fair value gap, even though we've just kind of been playing around in there. It has to break to the downside at some point because I mean, we're just kind of just playing around all in here. So again, I'm a little iffy about this buy side drawn liquidity for tomorrow. But again, like I always tell you guys, we just trade the market as it presents itself to us, and yeah, we just go from there. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I feel like I'm rambling on. I am tired, ready to go in the house and hang out with the family. So, until next time, I hope you all stay well and safe trading to you. Bye.